Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use Filezilla FTP client to connect. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use Filezilla FTP client to connect and upload to a website server. So firstly, access your website cPanel. Once you access your website cPanel, you will see FTP account. Open it. Now here guys, click on Filezilla recommended FTP clients. So select here Filezilla. If you not have Filezilla, so download and install Filezilla. Now once you successfully installed, open Filezilla. Now here host. Now enter here FTP IP. Now here your FTP user. Password. Port. Then click on Quick Connect. You will see this information. Check this box, then click on OK. Now this way you can connect your WordPress website with FTP. So thanks for watching, and please comment on this video useful for you or not.